The Galaxy S21 series is getting some serious upgrades in the form of the S21 Ultra, and there are also going to be some let-offs in the smaller S21, but thankfully some of that is going to the customers in form of price cuts. But the real question is that how much of the price cut came from decreasing features like having a full HD display or a plastic back, and how much of the price cut came from the fact that they now removed charger and earphones, which do cost like some money. Also guys, how are you? I hope your winter is going well, and if you find our videos interesting, may I suggest you to subscribe. So this smartphone will be released on 14th of January, but we have received the prices of all the models of the Galaxy S21 series. Let's first start with the European prices. The Galaxy S21 will cost €849 for the 128GB base version and €899 for the 256GB version. For the Galaxy S21 Plus, we will have €1049 for the 128GB and 256GB will cost €1099. Despite earlier rumors, the price of the Galaxy S21 Ultra also seems to be going down, as it costs $1249 for the 128GB, $1299 for the 256 and an outrageous $1449 for the 512GB. Don't get the 512 guys, it's just too much overpriced. Now coming to the UK prices, it should be like this. £799 for S21, £999 for the S21 Plus, and then £1199 for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. The 256GB model should be about £50 more over the regular versions, which would be £849, £1049 and £1249 respectively. In USA, we will have $899 for the Galaxy S21 and the Galaxy S21 Plus will be costing $1099, while the Ultra will cost $1299, again cheaper than the S20 family of smartphones. And it is also expected that in US, all of these will come with 256GB of base storage, so that is doubly impressive. What isn't that impressive is that why the F is not everyone getting 256 as base storage. Over here in India, the Galaxy S21 should cost around 66,000 rupees, the Galaxy S21 Plus going at 79,000 rupees, and the Ultra should be around 94,000 rupees. Now what I'm not sure about is that will India be getting 128GB base version or 256? Europe is getting 128 and both India and Europe has Exynos, so I do believe that India will be getting 128GB, but take it with a grain of salt. Talking about salt, these are leaks, not official, so do take the prices also with a pinch of salt, but I do think that these are going to be the prices of the Galaxy S21 series. We will get more confirmation on 14th of January, where they will be announced alongside the Galaxy Buds Pro and Galaxy Smart Tag. So to not miss the coverage on that, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about these prices? I'm not happy that they are using a full HD display and plastic back and no chargers, but at least we are getting some amount of price decrease, so it is at least some consolation. With that guys, follow me over on Twitter, and thanks a lot for watching.